Ever wondered how Chinese girls get their amazing flexibility? Well, it's not just a result of contemporary workouts or diet plans, but a rich legacy that stretches back centuries. Flexibility has been woven into the fabric of Chinese culture and history, deeply rooted in ancient practices like martial arts and traditional dances. Picture the graceful movements of Tai Chi or the dynamic leaps of Kung Fu. These aren't just physical activities, but expressions of discipline, precision, and yes, flexibility. From a tender age, children are introduced to these practices, instilling a sense of consistency and discipline that becomes second nature. These practices aren't just about bending the body, but also about shaping the mind, creating a harmonious balance that resonates through their lives. It's not just about being flexible, but living flexibility. So, the secret to their flexibility begins in the past with traditional practices and a culture that values discipline and consistency. But how does this translate into the modern day? Traditional Chinese principles of consistency and discipline continue to echo in the modern fitness world. Now, these principles are being applied to a variety of workouts, not just martial arts or traditional exercises. Take yoga, for instance, a practice that has its roots in ancient India. It's a blend of physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation. Or consider Pilates, a system of exercises designed to improve physical strength, flexibility, and posture, and enhance mental awareness. Both these modern workouts are heavily influenced by the principles of consistency and discipline. Then there are specific stretches that target flexibility. These are exercises that are often incorporated into daily routines, not just gym sessions. They might be as simple as touching your toes or as complex as the splits. These modern workouts, while different in form, maintain the same principles of the ancient practices, emphasizing consistency and targeting flexibility. But it's not just about the workouts, is it? Of course not. Diet plays a crucial role in maintaining flexibility. A balanced diet, rich in proteins and vitamins, is key to preserving muscle health and enhancing flexibility. Proteins help repair and build muscles, while vitamins like C and E protect our bodies from oxidative stress, promoting overall muscle health. And when it comes to a diet that supports flexibility, we can learn a lot from traditional Chinese cuisine. It emphasizes fresh, whole foods and is often packed with natural sources of proteins and vitamins. Foods like tofu, fish, and leafy green vegetables are staples of the Chinese diet, providing essential nutrients that aid in maintaining flexibility. Not to forget hydration. Drinking adequate water helps keep our muscles supple and joints lubricated, further enhancing flexibility. So, the secret to flexibility isn't just in the workouts, but also in the kitchen. And there you have it. A balanced diet is just as important as consistent training in the quest for flexibility. So, what's the overall picture here? Let's take a step back and connect the dots. We've journeyed through the ancient roots of flexibility, weaving through time-honored practices that have been passed down through generations. We've explored modern-day workouts, a blend of the old and new, where tradition meets innovation in a dance of strength and agility. What about the fuel that powers this journey? We've delved into the role of a balanced diet, a symphony of nutrients that sustain the body and nourish the soul. It's not just about the right exercises or the right food, it's also about the right mindset. Consistency, discipline, and a balanced approach to health and fitness are the pillars that support this journey to flexibility. In conclusion, the secret to the amazing flexibility of Chinese girls lies in a combination of historical practices, modern workouts, and a balanced diet, all underpinned by consistency and discipline.